In this tutorial, we will discuss about difference between stateless widget and stateful widget. And also implement the both stateless and stateful widget in Visual Studio Code. Don't skip this video, and make sure, subscribe to my channel to get more videos. And you can follow my Instagram page. Let's get started. First of all, what is stateless widget? And why we use stateless widget? Stateless widget is widget where we cannot change state of application page. A stateless widget never changes. And icon button, and text are examples of stateless widgets. Stateless widgets subclass stateless widget. There's no need to use setState method. Only we have to create one class which extends with stateless widget. This is home screen code where I use stateless widget. In this home screen, we can view one text and one clickable icon button. I also use the material app, and scaffold widget is a root widget, which we will discuss in next video with small implementation. But for this you have to subscribe the channel. There's one container in which we use one count text and create one icon button. When we press on icon button, count text should be increased to 1. But this process did not work in stateless widget. We have to convert home screen class from stateless widget to stateful widget. A stateful widget is dynamic. For example, it can change its appearance in response to events triggered or clicked by user interactions or when it receives data. Checkbox, radio, slider, inkwell, form, and text field are examples of stateful widgets. Stateful widgets subclass stateful widget. A widget state is stored in a state object, separating the widget state from its appearance. The state consists of values that can change, like a slider's current value or whether a checkbox is checked or not. When the widget state changes, the state object calls setState, telling the framework to redraw the widget. Let's implement and see how it's working. Now, count text increment to 1 when we press button. If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.